In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable dark mode on Windows 11. So if you want to enable the dark mode, it is actually very simple. First of all, go to settings. For that, click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now click on the option settings that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here the settings will be opened. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for personalization. What you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find the settings related with personalization over here. At left, you'll be able to find various options. Click on this option colors. Now you'll be able to select the theme. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for choose your color. You can see over here light is selected right now, so simply click on this field. Now click on this option dark that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here dark mode has been enabled. So that is how you enable dark mode on Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.